Hello everyone. Next, we are going to look into the third task, which is exploratory data analysis on the retail data set that we have. This is the third task of the Sparks Foundation Grip Internship program. Moving on, here what we are trying to do is, as a business manager, we are trying to analyze the various weak areas, and we will be trying to find points so that we can try to maximize our profit or mainly minimize our losses. First, we'll be importing our libraries, after which we'll be importing the data set that we have. Looking into then we'll be doing an initial analysis of the data set, which is trying to find the various columns, various counts, means, and trying to find the shape and whether there are duplicate entries in our data set, and then removing all those duplicate entries, and then finding whether there is null entries in any column or any row. And after finding all that, then we will be looking into the various unique entries in different columns. After looking into all that, then we will look into the correlation of our data set, and after which we will be really looking into what we are trying our target. Here our target is, we are trying to minimize our losses, so we will be trying to take the subset of the data set where the profit made is less than zero. So we are trying to take that subset and work on this specific subset. This subset is marked to another data frame called loss here. And after looking into that, we'll be making another column here where we'll be finding the location based on two different columns, that is city and state, and which is simply combining both the city and state with a comma in between them. After doing this, then we will be looking for losses based on the various columns. First, we will look into the ship mode, and then we are trying to analyze the losses made on this on all the ship modes and the location. Similarly, we will be doing it for the states as such. Then moving on to segment, we'll be doing the similarly for location and state. And while looking into the state, we'll be briefly trying to find the state that makes the maximum losses. Here every ship mode and segment and everything is combined. And after that, then we will trying to find the specific city where maximum losses are made. And here also we'll be trying to add all the losses made on various different categories based on ship mode, segment, etc. And after that, we'll be trying to categorize the losses for location and state based on the category in which the losses are made. And after doing that, we'll try to find a rough idea of how the losses are split into various subcategories of products that we are selling. And then we'll be looking into the region wise losses, where we'll try to find the loss for any location based on its region, similarly for state. And after analyzing all this, what we'll be getting is that the most of the losses are made in city, that is Philadelphia, and the state that makes the loss is Texas. And moving on, we will find a similarity between all these things, and that is the cities that we need to really focus are Philadelphia, Houston, Burlington, Chicago. And the states that we need to focus are Texas, North Carolina, Ohio, and Colorado. And the state that leads to maximum loss is Texas, and the city that leads to maximum loss is Philadelphia. And by looking in subcategory wise, the three subcategories, that is binders, chairs, and tables, is contributing for more than 50% of the entire losses. So these are the major key points that we need to look and try to minimize our losses so as to make the best of a situation. Thank you.